Okay, I've been checking the various forums since the last episode for more information on the starter relay. I also had a look into how relays work in general and became interested in the solid state relays I've been reading about. If anyone knows if one exists that replaces the K100 starter relay, I'd like to hear from you. So my understanding now is that this relay is basically an electromagnetic switch which, when power is applied by turning the key to on and pressing the start button, closes the circuit to the starter motor, thus cranking the engine. So I took a fresh look at the relay and it dawned on me that I was applying power from the battery to the wrong terminals. Just a heads up for anyone having trouble with theirs. Power goes to the gold or brass coloured terminals, not the silver ones. So I put the relay back into the bike, attached a battery, and crossed my fingers. Now I'm back to where I started. The starter spins, but the engine doesn't turn over. The issue I still believe is the sprag clutch, which I may attempt to clean without removing the entire rear end. Fingers crossed for that one. The whole bike is getting disassembled anyway. Just really wanted to hear it running before that happened. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.